Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is lesson 43. Let's look in the Old Testament at the English word perish, find its meaning in Hebrew. Here we see the word perish used many times in the Old Testament. You notice there's only a few times that it's multiple digits, maybe 10 or 12. The rest of the time it's H6. So let's find a verse that contains H6. Here randomly is Esther 2:1. And here we see the word used as Esther brings her case against Haman, saying that her people will perish. Here we see the word perish is listed as H6. And here in the concordance we see that the word is listed as Abad, Aleph, Bet, Dalet. And the meaning is to perish, to vanish, to go astray, to be destroyed. There are many other listings there, but the idea is to be destroyed or to vanish. Sometimes it's informational to look at words ahead of and after the word we're actually looking for. And we've been looking at H6, Abad. And so let's look at H7 and so on. And I think we're going to be surprised. And here we see H7 is Abad, Aleph, Bet, Dalet. It means to perish, to vanish, to shall perish, to destroy or be destroyed. So we see the same meanings carried over into this next word, Abad. And the next word, H8, is pronounced Obed. The chief meaning is destruction. H9 is Abadah, Aleph, Bet, Dalet, Hey, a lost thing or something lost. H10 is Abado, Aleph, Bet, Dalet, Hey, a lost thing, something lost, a perishing. And finally, the one I'm looking for, Abaddon, Aleph, Bet, Dalet, Vav, Nun, Abaddon, a place of destruction, ruin, Abaddon. This occurs in the book of Revelation. And let's go there and see how it's used. Here we find the word Abaddon used in Revelation 9:11. And we see that it is the king, and they had a king over them, which is the angel of the bottomless pit, whose name, I love it, they talk about the Hebrew tongue, whose name in the Hebrew tongue is Abaddon, but in the Greek tongue hath his name Apollyon. Going to the listing in the concordance, we see that it's Abaddon, G3, and we see in the concordance that G3 is listed as alpha, beta, alpha, delta, delta, omega, nu. And this has the meaning of ruin, destruction, the place of destruction, the name of the angel or prince of the infernal regions, the minister of death, and the author of havoc on the earth. We look just a little bit further and we see that the meaning of this word comes from Hebrew. The Hebrew word H11, which of course is the word we're looking for. And so we see in the word Abaddon, our original word abad, to perish, is wrapped up in the meaning and significance of that word as well.